All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a good one. In this video, we're going to show you how to run really successful and efficient marketing through your DoorDash platform. Okay. If you don't already do it, you should be logging into your portal on your backend of DoorDash all the time, looking at your reports, looking at your metrics, looking at your reviews. And this is a little tip that not a lot of operators know, that you can really run efficient marketing through DoorDash, right? It's kind of like printing money. You can run marketing where you are acquiring new customers, okay? You can run marketing where you're bringing back your existing customers, okay? So look at this. This campaign that we've been running since February. It's been running for about 8 months now, and we're doing perpetually, right? $0 delivery fee on every order. Okay, so this is every single order. This is new or existing. We've done $8,100 in sales in that to 331 customers. It cost about $332, so it's about $1 a customer. Now, I've negotiated a fee with DoorDash, right? And that fee is it's about 99 cents. It cost me about $1, right? It's probably going to cost you about $3 or $4 per new acquisition. Any type of marketing, right? I've been doing operating restaurants for a long time now. I've operated over 30 restaurants. In any type of marketing, there's a new customer acquisition cost. If you can get your new acquisition cost to 99 cents to $1, run that all day long, right? The bad part about this is that I can't really increase my spend or not. DoorDash is really controlling it. When a sale comes in and an order comes in, it just cost me 99 cents. And they bill that on my statement. Okay, so if I do quick math here, what this average costs, we did about $8,100 in sales, right? So if I do $8,100 in sales and we divide that by 331 customers, we get about a $24.50 average ticket, right? So it's right here, which isn't bad at all. So again, you want to make sure that you are running marketing, okay? Even if you're using Uber Eats, Postmates, Grub Hub, they all have really great marketing platforms. I love to use the third-party delivery services as new customer acquisition. Why? Because I can hit millions of customers that you don't have access to. Now you have them at your fingertips. Okay. Even it costs $1, $2, $3 to absorb a new customer. Guess what? That is by far the best form of marketing. Think about that. Somebody new goes on DoorDash, they discover you, they place an order, your product goes to their house, through the door, right? Into their hands, into their mouth. I mean, that is by far the best type of marketing. It doesn't get better than that. Now, if you can drive your costs down, from $3 or $4 to $1 acquisition cost, do it. Now, what I can tell you is that I've negotiated that deal, and you can too. If you have a rep, most operators don't really realize that you have a representative that you can get in touch with. If you're a bigger operator, you have 2, 3, 5, 10 restaurants, you most likely have a rep. If you are a single restaurant operator, you might not. Try to get your rep on the phone to negotiate this, okay? Here's a secret trick that I discovered. I had initially negotiated my contract from 30% commission to 25% commission. I think with DoorDash, you can get it down to like 22, 20%. Now, at 25%, I was getting certain perks. What I realized was that I was doing a ton of, this promotion right here, $0 delivery fee. and we were paying a lot of money. I mean, typically you're going to pay $3 or $4 a pop. Think about this. I mean, if this was at, $3 a pop here, or $4 a pop, I'd be paying, upwards of $1,000, $1,200 here. Now, mind you, this is over 8 or 9 months. So what I did was I negotiated a higher commission, actually. Think about that. You think that doesn't make any sense, but I negotiated my commission back from 25 to 30%. Now you might wonder, well, why would you do that? Because when I did the math, I realized that if I increased that commission, but I got to lower my new acquisition costs, right, I would save a lot of money that way. And mind you, this is over, 15 stores. This is not just one location here. So you can kind of do the math and analysis yourself and kind of come up with your own numbers there. I really suggest you do it. But even if you don't want to negotiate your commission down, at least test and try some marketing, right? I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do it. So here's a recommended promotion, right? But to really look at it, they only have 4 running right now. So if I start, oh, by the way, too, if I click completed, I could look at promotions that I ran earlier in the year. You can see I ran something for like 12 days. First order, $0 delivery fee. I think I overlapped this one while this was running, so this is why nothing happened here. But first order, 20% off for about a little over a month, right? Nothing really happened here. So let's find out why. But let's start a new promotion, and it's good to run some things and keep an eye on it. Because if it doesn't work, then try a different type of promotion. So all you're gonna do is click start. By the way, when you log into your dashboard, grow your sales, right? It's right here. This is gonna show me my existing promotions. I'm gonna click start a new promo, and that's it. It brings you to this screen, and attract new customers, discount for new customers, $0 delivery fee for new customers. It tells you your average of $5 sale per marketing dollar spent, right? What does that mean? So if you spend, $10 in marketing spend, you're going to average about, multiply it by 5. So $50 in sales. This has a higher one. People love free delivery. In my experience, that one works the best. Encourage existing customers. So I'm not running from something for my existing customers, which I'm going to, and boost total. So this is what I'm running right now. $0 delivery fee on all orders. This has the highest, you can see right here, $6 per marketing dollar, right? And I'm already doing that. So this says this is a $4.99 fee per order. All right. That's a high fee. This is what I was just talking about. I think earlier in the year, my fee was $4. I've negotiated that to 99 cents to $1. So imagine my fee was $5 an order. I had over 331 customers. You're talking about, $1,500 compared to $300. So this is why it's really crucial. It's really crucial to negotiate with your rep. All right. So I'm going to try and experiment with this discount for lapsed customers. Invite customers who haven't ordered from you in over 45 days. All right. Let's win these customers back. So I'm going to choose the template. And it's going to show a discount percentage, 20% off. Orders $15 or more. I know, my average order is about $25, so I can pick that up. Okay, so I'm going to make the minimum order 20. I can make it higher if I want to, but I just did the math. We know that my average customer spends about $24, so we can put it up here. And what I'd like to do here is 20% is a good discount. People love that number. I'm going to make the max discount 5, right? So I'm offering 20%. Minimum is $20, but the max you can get essentially is a $5 discount here, okay? Save changes. Duration, I usually like to keep it ongoing, so evergreen, perpetual, right? And I can adjust, my different stores that I want to run it under, which I'm going to do. And all I got to do is click agree, right? They give an example here what it looks like. 20% off of orders for 20 or more, up to $5 off. This is a really nice looking promotion, right? If they're scrolling through the app, this will catch their eye. That's big enough. All right. Discount customer receives marketing fee paid to DoorDash, right? It's about 99 cents total cost per order. It's going to cost me about $5 to $6 per order. I agree. And then all I do is create promotion. Now, what I can also do is see if I can negotiate this with my rep, which I will. I'll call them up and always have conversations. I at least try to talk to my reps at least once a month. If I can't, if we're busy, at least once every 2 months. It's really good to do that, to go over your metrics, your reporting, and your marketing. And they're going to tell you what marketing works best and if there's any new promotional offers going on. All right. So guys, if you like this, we're going to do a whole series on DoorDash tutorials for restaurant operators. We actually have a series going for Uber Eats as well. And if you're interested, we're rolling out with online courses. So you can check out our website at restaurantinnovation.com. You can sign up there. And if you have any questions, you can shoot us an email at info@restaurantinnovation.com. Thanks, guys.